friends. Welcome back to another full day of eating. I am not cutting this safely at all. So I have been waking up extremely hungry lately, so I've been making myself breakfast. I still haven't been doing the morning coffees just because they still aggravate my tummy. But today I'm going to toast a bagel, put some cream cheese on it, and I will link the recipe for this down below. So I'm going to take my adrenal and cortisol support. I shared this with you guys in another video. I'll link that in the cards above. My other supplements. And then I've also been taking these advanced digestive formula because ever since I had food poisoning, and then this month I also had a little bit of like the stomach bug, my stomach just has not been dealing well with foods. Like spices still really bother me. I just feel really gassy and bloated all the time. So these have actually been really helping that. They are the advanced digestive formula. They help reduce bloating, gas, and indigestion. And you're supposed to take one tablet with meals. So I will take this once I eat my bagel, which needs to go down some more. And then I just got my electrolyte water. Again, I usually go between Dr.Berg's electrolytes and then LMNT. It just totally depends on what I'm feeling that day. I really enjoy both of them, so both of those will be linked down below as well. Lunch for today is salami and cheese. I also think, hold on. I'm also gonna bring my carrot chips and then my bacon ranch dip, because sometimes I get hungry on the way home and that's a pretty good snack. So I think my bagel's almost done. Just take a nap till it is. Bagels are probably one of the things that I miss the most, like a real chewy, delicious bagel. But these are actually pretty good. Some days I'll do like a breakfast sandwich out of them, but today I'm just gonna do the cream cheese. Okay. We gotta go. Downfall to not having coffee in the morning is that by, what time of day is it? Hold on. No, please hold. By 12:40, I want coffee. And we don't have a Keurig at the shop. All we have is a Scooters or a local coffee shop. So I'm gonna go to Scooters. So I use my phone to pay and to order, so I won't be able to record myself ordering, but I will tell you guys what I get after I got it. Awesome. Thank you so much. You too. Okay, so I ordered a medium iced latte made with heavy cream, and then I always ask for like 2 pumps of whatever sugar-free flavoring I am getting, only because I think the standard is like 3, I don't know, and it's like 4 grams of carbs per pump. So I just try to cut back on the carbs and the sugars, the not so great fresh sugars that are added in there. And then I also get the heavy cream instead of half and half to also save on carbs. And I don't know how many calories it is, but I think it's under 10 grams of carbs. And it is phenomenal. So good. Hi, Regal, you almost knocked me over. Hi. Hi, Buggy. Hi. Are you giving love? Are you giving love? Looky. Well, it is now dinner time. I didn't have anything besides my coffee and the bagel this morning. The bagel really does hold me over. Breakfast really holds me over, but I really am trying to incorporate that fasting, so we'll work on that. But just right now I'm trying to listen to my body, give it what it wants, give it what it needs, feed it when it's hungry, just because during the the fat adaptation phase and getting back into ketosis, it can be a struggle. So I'll focus more on the fasting probably in like a week or two, but right now I'm just eating what my body is telling me to. For dinner tonight, we fired up the grill. I thought that the weather was going to hold up a little bit better than it is, so we might have to hurry up with the grilling. But Colton ended up buying steaks, which is not a very frequent occurrence around here, so I'm excited. We usually buy steaks when they're on sale. Dog right now. Sorry. He just got the zoomies and it was so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna have that. The boys are gonna make themselves onion rings, like the low carb cauliflower onion rings. I don't really like them. They're pretty carby. So I don't know what I'm gonna have as a side yet, but I'm excited for some steak. You guys are insane. That is perfect. Dinner is served. Look at this steak. Look at it. So good. If I could afford steak every night, that is what we will have. I'm assuming this is gonna fill me up. Colton made the steaks, and then the dip that I showed you guys, and the carrot chips that I took to work that I never ate. I'm assuming this will fill me up. If not, I'll show you guys if I eat more. I'm also having a Dr. Pepper zero sugar. Alrighty, friends, I just finished my dinner. I didn't finish all my steak or my carrots, but I did finish all my dip. I am very full, so I think I'm going to stop eating for the night. I will finish my Dr. Pepper zero sugar though. But the exciting news that I wanted to share with you guys is that I just bought tickets to Keto Summit 2022, and I am from Nebraska, and it is in Elkhorn? No, it's in Omaha, Nebraska. So I am super excited to go. I got VIP tickets for the boyfriend and myself so that we can go. Of course, I will show you guys the entire thing. I'll vlog it. It's going to be super fun. So I'm really, really excited about that, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. Regal, your big head's in the way. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope this video helped you in some way, shape, or form with your eating on keto. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.